Peacock, Pavo cristatus. Introduction. The peacock is a large and colorful bird known for its stunning iridescent plumage and elaborate courtship displays. It belongs to the pheasant family, Phasianidae, and is native to the Indian subcontinent. The term peacock technically refers to the male, while the female is called a peahen, and together they are known as peafowl. Types of peafowl. There are three main species of peafowl. 1. Indian peafowl, Pavo cristatus, the most common species with bright blue and green plumage. 2. Green peafowl, Pavo mudicus, native to Southeast Asia, known for its striking green feathers. 3. Congo peafowl, Afro-Pavo congensis, found in the forests of Africa, smaller and less colorful than the other two species. Physical characteristics. Size. Peacocks can grow up to 2.3 meters, 7.5 feet, long, including their tail. Weight. Males weigh 4 to 6 kilograms, 8.8 to 13.2 pounds, while females are lighter. Color. Males have metallic blue-green plumage with long, iridescent tail feathers, not true tail, but elongated upper tail coverts. Females are brownish with no long tail. Crest. Both males and females have a crest of feathers on their heads. Behavior and lifestyle. Habitat. Peacocks prefer forests, grasslands, and farmlands, mainly in India, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. Diet. They are omnivores, eating seeds, insects, small reptiles, and plants. Lifespan. They live 15 to 20 years in the wild and longer in captivity. Courtship and reproduction. Mating display. Males fan out their iridescent tail feathers in a dazzling display to attract females. Breeding season, usually in the monsoon season. Eggs. Females lay 3 to 5 eggs, which hatch in about 28 days. Cultural significance. National bird of India, symbolizes beauty, grace, and pride. Mythology and religion, associated with Hindu, Buddhist, and Greek mythology. In Hinduism, peacocks are linked to Lord Kartikeya and goddess Saraswati. Symbolism often represents immortality, wisdom, and protection. Threats and conservation. Predators, tigers, leopards, and wild dogs prey on peafowl. Threats, habitat loss, poaching, and illegal pet trade. Conservation status, least concern, IUCN, but populations are declining in some areas. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Live with Creatures. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. See you in the next video.